The foldable smartphone market is on the edge of a major shift, and all signs point to Apple being the reason. For years, people have been hearing rumors about Apple working on its first foldable phone. Now a new industry report suggests that this device, widely referred to as the iPhone Fold, could change the entire market as soon as it launches next year. According to IDC, one of the biggest market research firms, the impact of the iPhone Fold will be much bigger than most people expected. The report says that Apple's first foldable could grab over 22% of all global foldable phone shipments in 2026. That means almost 1 out of every 4 foldable phones sold could be an Apple device, even though Apple will be entering the market years after Samsung and other competitors. But the number that really stands out is the value share. IDC predicts that the iPhone Fold could take nearly 34% of the total foldable market value on its own, and the reason for that is the rumored price. Early reports suggest this device could cost around $400. That's higher than most foldables on the market today, but analysts say price won't be a problem for Apple fans. In fact, they believe the high-end positioning will only push more attention toward the foldable category as a whole. Consumer interest in foldable devices has been growing slowly, but IDC expects a major boost once Apple enters the space. When Apple adopts a new product category, the entire industry usually feels it. We saw this happen with smartwatches, wireless earbuds, tablets, and even laptop designs. The same pattern may play out with foldables, and other companies could benefit as well. Samsung is already preparing for this shift, with the Galaxy Z Trifold creating excitement for next year. Huawei also continues to push its own foldable models, despite limited availability in some regions. IDC mentions that all these launches together will help expand the market and push it into the mainstream. Another interesting point from IDC is that foldable phones will grow faster than the rest of the smartphone industry. While phone sales overall are expected to remain steady, the foldable segment is forecasted to rise much higher. By 2029, IDC believes foldables could account for over 10% of the total smartphone market value. That may not sound huge at first, but considering the size of the global smartphone industry, 10% represents billions of dollars and millions of devices. As for the iPhone Fold itself, rumors paint a picture of a very premium device. Reports suggest it may come with a 5.8-inch outer display, which users will interact with when the device is folded. When unfolded, the phone is rumored to reveal a 7.58-inch flexible internal display. That puts it in the same size range as many small tablets, offering plenty of space for entertainment, multitasking, and creative work. Another rumor claims the iPhone Fold will have a battery larger than the one in the iPhone 17 Pro Max. If true, that means Apple is building the device with long usage times in mind. Foldable screens usually consume more power, so a bigger battery is an important feature for any device in this category. What makes this even more interesting is Apple's usual approach. The company rarely enters a new category just to follow trends. Instead, it studies the market, waits for the right moment, and then tries to redefine the experience. With the iPhone Fold, Apple seems to be preparing a device that could shift expectations for premium smartphones and push foldables into a new era. The next year will be important for the foldable market. With Apple stepping in, Samsung evolving its foldable lineup, and Huawei releasing new models, the competition will become more intense than ever. But the big takeaway from IDC's report is clear: the iPhone Fold isn't just another new device. It's likely to become a major growth engine for the entire foldable market, and could be the spark that pushes foldables into the mainstream.